Hello, my name is Daniel Omboga Barongo. I graduated from Kabarak University last year, and I've done computer security and forensic. It's already 9 months since I graduated on December. I've done attachment and post-attachment. I did my attachment at Kenya School of Government, Baringo, and the post-attachment I did at the Oaknet Business, Nairobi, Upper Hill. It's a software company that deals with software design and plan. I have skills on DevOps engineering. I've trained on those skills. The process of software development life cycle by there is pulling and pushing of codes to ensure that the codes match, and the backend and the front end developers get the best desired product that was designed and planned by the software design planners. Today I'm going to talk about software quality assurance, which is a process that assures that all software programs, processes, methods, and activities are monitored and comply with the defined standards. These standards could be 1 or 2. There's ISO 9000, CMMI model, and ISO 15504, which the standards which are used for standardization of software products. SQA incorporates our software development process, starting from defining requirements to coding until the release to ensure the quality of the software product that was meant to be. In a software quality assurance plan, there is the software quality assurance. We have a software quality assurance plan. Software quality assurance plan comprises of procedures, techniques, and the tools that are employed to make sure that a product or service aligns with the requirements defined in the SRS, the software requirement specification. The SRS, which is the document that is used by software developers to see the requirement specification of the product that is required by the customer, the client, who has given the developers work to develop the system that will be used either in business, for example, financial institutions, governments, schools, universities, primary and secondaries, and the small enterprise businesses. And the software quality assurance plan document comprises of purpose section, reference section, tools, techniques, and methodologies, and the testing methodologies, and many other things that are being included. Second, we have software quality assurance activities. The software quality assurance activities, they help one in creating an SQA management plan which engineers activities to be carried out, the right talent to mix in the team, and setting up the checkpoints. SQA activity number 2 is setting the checkpoints. The checkpoints to evaluate the quality of the project activities at each checkpoint of project stage. 3 is apply software engineering techniques, which aids a software designer in achieving high quality specifications, use of interviews, and fast user function analysis system techniques for information gathering. We have elements of software quality assurance. The software engineering standards, technical reviews and audits, software testing for quality control, error collection and analysis. Error collection and analysis, it aids in correction of collection of errors that were made during the development phases. Vendor management is an element of software quality assurance which helps with knowing the price and the amount of finance resources that will be used during the whole process of developing the software. Security management is another element of software quality assurance which helps in setting up standards and the security needs of the software. As I have told you earlier, I have trained on ethical hacking penetration testing, and since I did cybersecurity and forensic, I have skills on information security. Security management will include testing tools to check the security of the code, to check the bugs, to check the security of the products at the later stage of development, and to make sure that the software that has been developed is secure for use by the product and has any loophole that the attacker or hacker can use to enter. The safety of a software is another software quality assurance element that is needed, that has to be included. The safety of the product, the environment that was used in developing the product, the software product, the security of the software, and the safety of the whole, how secure, how safe is the product. Number 3, we have SQA technique from the software quality assurance items. We have software quality assurance techniques, auditing being the chief technique that is widely adopted. The SQA techniques include auditing of the software, which helps in the auditing of the software, helps in the inspection of the work, products, and its related information to determine if the set of standards processes were followed or not. Auditing can be done by software, also information security auditors, or the developers who knows how to do the auditing. And auditing will be done to those people who never developed the code, who never wrote the code. There is reviewing. Software product is examined by both internal and external stakeholders to seek their comments and approval. Reviewing helps in knowing that all the processes, all the procedures, all the plans, all that's included in the software document has been followed, and in every step what was meant to be attained has been attained. The other point on software techniques is about software quality assurance technique is about, these things are, it's about code inspection. Code inspection includes the kind of method that is used. You can do static testing to find bugs and avoid defect growth in the later stages, that reviews should not be done at the later stages. The code inspection should be done in every stage to avoid the putting together of the bugs that will lead to some mounting into a larger quantity that at the later stage it will be difficult to deal with the bugs. So code inspection should be done at the earlier stages as the process of product development, the software product development starts. Design inspection is another method that is done using a checklist that inspects the below areas of software design: general requirements and design, functional and interface specification connection, and requirement traceability. Another method technique of SQA is simulation, which is a tool that models a real-life situation in order to examine the behavior of the system under study. Functional testing also is another technique which verifies what the system does without considering how it does it. This type, it's a type of black box testing. We have black box testing and white box testing. The black box testing, which mainly focuses on testing the system specifications or features. In conclusion, agility to be attained in the software quality assurance, we should have a software quality assurance plan. We should have the software quality assurance activities to be followed during the software development life cycle. And we should have the software quality assurance techniques to be used like we have said: simulation, design inspection, code inspection, review, auditing, and functional testing. So to attain agility, the whole process that I've mentioned before should be included so that the software quality assurance should be achieved, in that the final product that will be received by the client will be of advantage, will be a good product, and will be marketable, and this will help the company to market itself. Thank you. Have a nice time.